Some of the new arrivals the past few weeks, this one is wonderful. It's a 1960 Chevrolet Impala four-door sedan. Mm-hmm. You say, well, Stuart, why would you pick that? Well, it's very cool looking, first of all. 1960 Impala has got a really iconic look to it. But this one is kind of a resto mod. It's Roman red and ermine white over black and red. It's got a 350 cubic inch Vortec V8 with dual Edelbrock carbs. So it's feeding some fossil fuels down into that bad boy. And it's got that awesome Jet H styling, and Powerglide automatic, and air conditioning. And it's just a cool-looking car, and it's affordable. You know, that's the thing. You know, people say, why don't you feature all expensive cars? Well, because not everybody can afford it.
Oh, it is affordable.
Car. Yeah, it's very affordable. Reasonable.
60 or 59 Chevy? The cat's eye taillights or the bullets? What do you like?
I like both. I like 59s a lot. I think they are just such that cat eye look, especially when you're following them. But I don't know. These are pretty cool. The bullet ones are pretty cool.
I noticed the Audi SUV has that same shaped taillight.
Yep, they absolutely do. So, but, you know, one of those things that you can get into the hobby, you can fill up the back seat with your grandkids and go to get ice cream or whatever it is you do, or head down to the lake and have an enjoyable time, and sharing that time with family members and friends. You know, a two-seater car, it's just you and your buddy, or you and your wife, or you and one other person.
Right.
You can't go get ice cream. Well, you can. I'm not saying you can't get
Bring it home.
Yeah. And it's half melted.
No, it's a great car with the fins, the horizontal fins, I call them.
And that Roman red and ermine white are a great color combination. So
plus the jet on the side. I mean, that thing is so cool.
Yeah, the Jet Age was in full force back then.
With the chemtrail.
Yeah, and it's under 20 grand.
Yeah.